Good day everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be looking at OneNote. We'll be looking at our OneNote. So this is basically what you get when you open your OneNote. So we'll be moving between Excel and OneNote because Excel, here we have our question paper which talks about our OneNote, and then we'll come back to OneNote in order to do what? To do all the necessary changes in OneNote. So yes, so this is where we'll be reading all our questions from Excel. So without wasting any more of your time, so if ever you find this video helpful to you guys, please do like and subscribe, because I'll be posting many more videos concerning all the different types of topics. So if you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe, and then share with others who you think they might find this video helpful. So without wasting any more of your time, let's get straight into the question paper. So question 6, it talks about OneNote. They say use OneNote to answer question 6. So 6.1, they're saying create 6.1 they're saying create a new blank note. The file name is question 6 and your examination number. So I'll go back to OneNote and then I'll create a new one. So we say file when you're creating a new notebook, and then we say new. They say the file name should be question 6 question 6 with your examination number. So let's just say bracket 1 2 3 4 5, just like that. I'll just leave it as that. And then we say create a notebook. Okay. Firstly, when you start creating your notebook, make sure that it's in this PC, not on OneDrive. Make sure it's in this PC, and then you say same process question 6. Question 6, and then 1 2 3 4 5, close bracket, and then you say create. Now we've created our question 6. So this is our question 6. Let's see. So we're done with that part, and then going back, they're saying insert the following sections. So we have section 1, section 2, section 3. So it's section 1 June 2022, section 2 June 2022, kanjalo. And then so going back to create those sections, so we have section 1 2. So this is how you add a section. So you just click on this plus sign. So they said you must add 3 sections. So we need to rename the sections, because the first one, it said section 1 June 2022, and then section 2 rename also section 2 June 2022, and then section 3 also same thing, and then we are done with that part. And then going back to our question paper, so let me just quickly do this. So 6 we're done, and the first one we're also done. So they also saying on 6.2, insert the following pages under section 1 June 2022. So we have to insert page 1, which is question 6, and then page 2, which is this is the page you'll be working on. So remember, page 1 is the page you'll be working on, and then they said you must also insert page 2. So let's go back to our OneNote. So section 1. So we'll be working on section 1. So they said we must add 2 pages. So the first page, you just right click, and then you say rename, and then they said you must rename it to question 6. Let me just confirm. Rename page 1 question 6. So we say page 1 question 6. then the second one you must rename it to page 2. And then we leave it as that. So there's our page 1 and page 2. So we're going back to our question to see what else needs to be done. So we are done with this part. So this part. So we're going straight to what? To question 6.3. So 6.3 they're saying 6.3 they're saying page 1 question 6, use a container and create a note by keying in your examination number. Use header 1 style, and then we must center this note and tag it as important. You must tag it as important. So just I think this will be fine. Yeah. Okay, so going back, so we must use a container and create a note by keying in your examination number. So let's do that first part. So examination number, so we just come down here and then we say examination number. So let's say our examination number is 1 2 3 4 5. Let me just make this slightly bigger. Let me just say 14 points so that we all can see. I hope we all can see this. Just again. Okay, so my examination number, maybe it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, it's fine. And then what else? Use heading style 1 and then center this note. Use heading style 1. So let me just highlight this. Highlight, and then here is our style. And then you can just see here is your styles, and you just select here and then choose the appropriate style, so which is heading style 1. And then they said you must center this note and tag it as important. So we need to center. So how do you center? You just click here, alignment, and then you say center, and then you take it as what? As important. So let me just close this just a bit, and then just like that. And then you take it as important. This is where you tag as important. So we just click, and then this star will appear. So when the star appears, it means it's important. And then what else? I think we are done with 6.3, and then we're going to 6.4. So 6.4, they say use the pen mode and key in the following text below the note in black. So we need to key in what? We need to key in this text. So how do we do that? They said below this. So we just come below, and then we use pen. So we come to draw. So we're using what? Pen mode. So they said black pen. So here's our black pen. You can just select that black pen, and then we need to key in what? OneNote. So you just right click on your mouse, and then you start drawing. Just like this. 1. Please mind my drawing. OneNote. So it's pretty hard to draw this thing. So OneNote. Okay, so just like this, we are done with with this, use the pen mode and key in the following text below the note in black. So we needed to type in this to draw this OneNote. And then we go straight to our 6.5. So 6.5, maximum of 1 mark for accuracy on keying in data. So meaning the accuracy of your data. So mine is a bit accurate, it's almost there. So they say you get a mark for your accuracy. So that's what they're talking about. So 6.6, they're saying retrieve the file called top 10 benefits of OneNote that has been saved in your computer practice N6 student file folder and copy the content of this file below the pen mode. So let's do that first. So I've already opened okay, I haven't opened it yet, so let me just say file and then open benefits. So here are the benefits, the top 10 benefits of OneNote. So I'll just copy everything, and then go back to my OneNote, and then where do we need to paste it? Konje retrieve 10 files that has been saved in the computer practice folder and copy the content of this below the pen mode text. So below the pen mode text, so meaning, let me just exit pen mode, and then you come down below and then you say paste, just like this. Let me just increase the font size. Okay, so they said font size 10, I think. They said font size should be Arial 10. Arial 10. So Arial 10, Arial. So I'll make the font size slightly bigger so that you can all see. Okay, so here's our Arial 10, and then what else? They said right align the reasons and insert small solid circle bullets. So you must right align the reasons. So here is our reasons. So we must right align. So we just click here and then you say right align, and then they said you must insert small bullets. So we'll also insert our bullets just here. Then here is our bullets, and then you also right aligned. So this is what they're basically talking about. Okay, and then what else? They said insert the picture OneNote below the top 10 benefits. So we need to insert the picture below, so just below. So we say insert, we need to insert what? A picture. So we're going to picture, and then so I save the picture here. So on your exam, you'll go where you need to find the picture. So on your computer practice N6 folder, and then you just say insert, and then here is your picture. So let me just make, you can just make it slightly bigger if need be, just like this. And you've inserted your picture, and then they said fit to page for all content and print this page in portrait. Okay, so and then they also 6.9, they say use a method that you are familiar with to make a screen print. Display the following information: the 3 sections you've created and the 2 pages you have created, the page title, 1 and note that you have created. Ensure that you display the content of this page 1. This printout is a document. Print this document in landscape orientation and place the handout in your examination folder. So what do we need to do? So our OneNote, when we are doing OneNote, when we need to print this OneNote, the one way to print it, one of the ways in which to print it during your exam, you need to screen grab the whole page. So meaning you need to take a screenshot of the whole page. So how do you do that? There's a button, there's a print screen button on your keyboard. So just look for a print screen keyboard on your print screen key on your keyboard. Yes, print screen key on your keyboard. Just look for that. Usually it's on the top right corner of your keyboard. So on my keyboard it's delete. The very first on top right, it's delete, and then there's insert, and then next to insert there's print screen, and then after print screen there's F12, F11, F10, F9, kanjalo kanjalo. So just look for it around along those lines. So you just print screen everything, and then you go to your Word, and then you paste everything on Word. After you paste like this, and then just make sure that all the information is visible. Okay, let me just close this a bit. Okay, just like this, and then that's when you can print. You can easily print on Word. So we say print, and then here's your OneNote, just like this. Then you get all your necessary marks. So that's basically it concerning our OneNote. So yeah, that's everything. If this video was helpful to you guys, please remember to like and subscribe if this video was helpful to you, and then share with others you think they might benefit from this video. So without wasting any more of your time, this is